Look what came today, my BOXYCHARM. Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and giveaways. I do have a giveaway for the month of May that's going on right now. We will also have a big one when this channel reaches 200 subscribers. So today we're going to be talking about BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM is $21 a month. It usually has 4 to 5 full-size products in there, and they're all beauty related. And so I can't wait to find out what's in this box. Let's dive in. So when you first open it, it comes like this. There's always a product card in here that talks about the different products that are inside. It gives you a little bit of information on it. The first product I'm pulling out is Glam Glow. Look how pretty this packaging is. It is their Gentle Bubble Cleanser, retails for $28. It is 5 ounces, 150 milligrams. It's a really good size. Here is the product itself. I know a lot of you guys have really loved this, saying how gentle it was on your skin and really kept you moisturized. And so what it talks about it is an ultimate daily conditioning cleanser to gently but effectively clean skin and remove face, makeup, and daily impurities. It is good for normal, dry, combination and oil skin, skincare concerns, pores, dryness, dullness, and even texture. It is a gel formula. It has the Ciate green tea leaf infused anti-aging antioxidants to combat the day's stressors with essential vitamins for the appearance of even, flawless complexion. It has oat amino acids, helps condition the skin, and apple extract and vitamin E gently cleanser. It is free sulfates, SLS, SLES, parabens, phthalates. This product is also vegan. And another thing to keep in mind is oat amino acids condition skin while gentle bubbles deeply cleanse and dissolve the makeup. Blended with apple extract, vitamin E, and Ciate green tea leaf. This gentle foaming cleanser is inspired by the rainbow aura of bubbles. You can definitely see the rainbow aura going on the packaging. Comes out like this. It looks very pearlesque on the skin. It has no scent, and it kind of looks like this. And I'm assuming that if you get it wet, obviously it's going to bubble up more. So I'm looking forward to trying this one out. From Dose of Colors is their liquid matte lipstick in the shade Merlot. It is cruelty-free company, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. It is 4.5 grams for $18. Looks like this. It is a liquid matte lipstick, has a velvety high fashion matte finish, which envelopes lips in a rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes, it dries to an ultra-comfortable matte finish. The tip is to exfoliate lips before use. Avoid oil, greasy foods. I know a lot of you have said that it takes like a couple coats to kind of build this up. Ooh. So here's kind of what it looks like. Let's swatch this on the hand. And it's a really pretty red. Almost has like a cool tone, undertone to it, which I do like, because I like reds that are more cool tone instead of a warm tone. So let's try this on. I think it's really pretty. I really like this. And it definitely does come across more cool tone, so I really like that. I know some of you guys have talked about how you've had problems with Ciate London. I never have. Their mascara is my holy grail. So here is their Eye Lustre Cream eyeshadow. It is in the shade Cupid. Retails for $22. It is 3 milliliters and 0.1 of a fluid ounce. Looks like this. think this would make a really pretty eye topper if you're doing kind of a pink look or even a purple. You could probably get away with it. Ooh, and it's a dual chrome. So it's either, so depending on how you shift, you can shift between gold and pink. Almost like a lilac color. So it's a long-lasting shimmery eye looks with eye luster. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. It is vegan friendly, it is gluten free and paraben free. This is really pretty. So more than anything, this is the products that has me stumped in this box, because I know that next month in the Boxy Luxe that they're doing some blush palettes. So it surprises me that they'll do blush palettes then and also brush palette now. But here is the Alamar blush trio. I have it in the color Fair to Light, and it's in the colors Castaway, Paraiso, and Scorcher. It is a cruelty-free brand. Here's what the products look like. So remember I told you earlier I can't do warm tones, and all of these are warm tones. So I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway. Remember I talked about a big giveaway coming up? Be on the lookout for this. So this retails for $22, and it says we've got the Hot Heat. Our Colorette blush trios are a curated collection of 3 blushes designed to complement your skin tone. Get sun-kissed, radiant, and flush look on a hot day at the beach would give you, but none of the damage to your skin. Our Colorette blush trios are formulated to glide easily and seamlessly over your cheeks while offering maximum pigmentation. Our buttery smooth formula contains micro shimmers that are completely vegan, talc-free, cruelty-free, and fragrance-free. So I think, you know, for your warm tone girls, and I know you guys love that, this is a great, but I think just for me, I think that next one up, the tan medium, I think would have been a better fit. Lastly, by Bodyography is their Midnight Blue eye pencil. Retails for $14, and it's a super smooth coconut oil infused pencils glide on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye. These eye pencils are rich enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet easily can be smudged during application for a smoky effect. They are cruelty-free. Looks like this. I'm not gonna swatch it because I just have a phobia about putting wooden pencils and wooden products near my eye and my lips. So I don't do wooden pencils for either one of those. So this one will be going in the giveaway, one of the giveaways coming up as well. So I'm really excited to try this one out. I'm loving this dose of colors. I think it's a really good lipstick on me. I like this. I think I'm going to use this as an eye topper. This one is going to go in a giveaway, and so is this one, because I think some other people out there could really have fun with these. Which ones were your favorites? Did you get the same things that I did? I did get variation number 1. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me when you like and hit that subscription bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye!